In today's video, I want to do an M1 Finance portfolio update. But before we begin, if you're new here, we are a young middle-class couple working towards financial independence, so that we can become millionaires within 10 years. On this channel, we talk about personal finance, wealth building, and we are documenting our progress towards FIRE so you can see exactly how our strategies are playing out in real time. Make sure you watch our net worth updates to see what we mean. We are just average people and definitely not experts, so always do your own research when investing your capital. If you're interested in seeing how a middle-class couple can achieve financial independence and retire early, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and please leave a comment. So we're going to head over to our M1 Finance account. We set up this account in January of 2020 because as we talked through our 10-year retirement plan, check out the link to the video here, we knew we needed to get started on a reliable stream of passive income. Through all sorts of FIRE research, we decided the truly best way to have a solid stream of income was through investing in the stock market, specifically through companies that pay dividends. So looking over the last month, we have seen dividends paid and huge market gains in our accounts, which we love to see. Every M1 account is broken down into pies. This basically means you allocate whatever percentage you want for each company you're interested in investing in. And M1 will take your money that you put into the account and automatically divide it up to align with your percentages you have defined. Not every brokerage out there does this, so this is a really nice feature. We are strong believers in automating our finances. Check out the book I'll Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi, where he gives great strategies for doing this. So the automatic investing feature built into the M1 platform is what initially caught our eye. We know that whatever money we put into the account will be invested without us worrying about what number of shares we need to buy. It is all done automatically as soon as the money hits the account. So if you take a look at our pie slices here, we have it broken down initially by sector. So each sector has an assigned percentage, and if we go within a sector, say let's look at financials, it is broken down into percentages again of those companies that fit into the financial sector. So we assigned our sectors and then assigned our companies within that sector. So when we invest our money every 2 weeks, whether it be $500 or $1,000, M1 will automatically invest that money so that our accounts stay balanced based on the percentages we have set. Money goes in, M1 buys the shares, and divvies up the funds to meet our requested percentages. It's pretty simple. M1 is one of our favorite trading platforms, and if you found this information helpful and are going to start investing yourself, use our link below in the description box so you can get $10 to get started, and we also get a $10 kickback too. So let's look at how we've been doing this over the last month. So when you take a look at the 1 month view, you can see that everything is in the green, which is what we like to see, of course. All green in every sector. We had a net worth increase of over $24,000 in the month of November, and it was a huge month for us overall, so make sure to watch our net worth video for November of 2020 after this so you can get all of the details. So just in the last month of this brokerage account, we have seen a return of 11.7%, which is a market increase of $1,809. Not to mention, we had our biggest month of dividends of $39. So the reason why we saw great gains this month is because of the transport sector, with almost 38% in gains. Thinking about what we know about the transport sector, Airlines saw a huge drop earlier this year due to the coronavirus and the travel restrictions. But the news is buzzing all about the vaccines coming up, so I can guess that we will see continued increases over the next few months as more people take flights on these airlines. The market likes predictability, so with more news of the distribution of the vaccine and plans being put into place, we can expect the market to react positively to that, especially for those companies hurt the most by the coronavirus pandemic. All 3 of our airlines had a great month, but American Airlines saw the largest gains at 49%. Pretty good for American, however, I want to show our whole timeline for American. We bought into American Airlines right as they had one of the biggest dips in the company's history. So you can see the price of the company has steadily increased. However, if we take a look at the 12-month view, American is still significantly down and is working on its recovery still, so we may still see more gains over time. How long it will take, we do not know. So let's take a look at our biggest losers this month. We had only a few stocks in the red in a few different sectors, but our biggest losses were in our REIT sector. Digital Realty had a 8% loss, and Equinix had a whopping 8.4% loss. Considering how well our other stocks are doing, an overall increase of $24K in our net worth, we are happy with how our investments have performed within the last month, even considering the losses in a few of our stocks. Like we mentioned, the market liked predictability, and with the US election decided, and the positive news of the coronavirus vaccine coming out, and even potentials of a market stimulus coming from Congress, we see overall positive news for the market and its response. Hopefully, as we go into the next few months, we will continue to see the positive news, and remember to use that link below if you want to start investing with M1 yourself. $10 for you and $10 for us. So let us know if you enjoyed this breakdown by leaving a comment. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel, it really helps us out, and it helps us keep making videos for you. So, as always, thank you for watching.